present, our students are facing a number of problems. Problems in the sense, they have to, after their study, they have to go for the job or for their own business. While going for the job, they are maybe academically proficient, but they are not prepared for the job. So they themselves should prepare, because now at present almost all industries are doing psychometric test before appointment. And this psychometric test, if you prepare by yourself, will make you that how you are fit for a job and what is your interested field. These aspects are considered psychometric test. And other competitive examinations like quantitative tests, and also this one English vocabulary, because communication is must. English communication, almost all companies will prefer general English communication, not the proficient, but still they need, whether in rural way or in city life also. So now they may be academically proficient, but they should themselves prepare for this one. And at present there is no specific institute to train them, and they have to prepare by themselves, and they have to go for this our coaching classes. There are some coaching classes will train them to fit for a job. And at present you see in banking sector also, for getting bank probation officers, there are two tests. One is preliminary, then advanced level. Then again GD is there. In group discussion, how they will discuss, how they will prepare themselves for this one. With others, they will mingle with others, and they will only present the topic, etc. will be considered. And only after this, they will be taken for the job. And second factor is business, self-business. Here, in this sector also, it is not easy to start business and continue, because highly competitive. In this highly competitive world, they should compete with others. So to compete with others, they should have something new, their own. They should take the initiative. For them also, they should train themselves. Then only they can succeed in their. So students should prepare themselves academically proficient, and also they should prepare themselves in other activities like this one. They should prepare for this entrance test, or this one GD, as well as psychometric test, and so that they can get through in all the interviews and they can get the jobs. So to conclude, I will advise almost all students, one way they have to study academically, and other way they should prepare themselves for these jobs. Then only they can succeed in this competitive world.